English is crazy. Pigs fly? Break a leg? Pay with your arm? What does it mean? Don't panic. Today, Stickman explains 10 crazy idioms. Let's go.
Let's start with a classic one from the theater. Break a leg.
Your friend says, break a leg? Do you take a hammer and hit your leg? No. Ouch. It means good luck. Actors say it before a show. Don't hurt yourself, just be lucky.
Okay, your legs are safe. Now, let's talk about food. Piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. Did you eat a cake during the test? No, that is messy. It means very easy. 2 plus 2 is 4. That is a piece of cake.
That was tasty, but idiom number 3 is a little scary. Cost an arm and a leg.
This car costs an arm and a leg. Do you cut off your arm? Do you give it to the shop? No, that is horror. It just means very expensive. A Ferrari costs an arm and a leg. You keep your body. You still have your arm? Good. Now look at the sky. Under the weather. I am feeling under the weather. Are you standing under a rain cloud? Are you wet? Not literally. It means you feel sick. Maybe a cold, maybe a headache. Stay in bed. Feeling better? Let's go to the kitchen again. Oops, spill the beans. Who spilled the beans? Did you drop food on the floor? Cleaning is boring, but this is not about food. It means to tell a secret. Oops, you talked, and now everyone knows. Clean up the beans. Now look down at your feet. Cold feet. He got cold feet. Does he need warm socks? Is he standing in snow? No, it means to be nervous. You want to stop, like running away from your own wedding.
Are you cold? No? Then let's do some boxing. Or sleeping? Hit the sack. I am going to hit the sack. Are you angry? Do you want to box? No fighting. It simply means go to sleep. You are tired. You hit the pillow. Good night. Wake up. Hack number 8 is very, very strange. Watch this. Keep an eye on. Can you keep an eye on my bag? Do you take your eye out and put it on the bag? Ew, gross. It means watch carefully. Don't let anyone steal it. Keep your eyes in your head, please. Put your eye back. Ew! Now listen to the music. Face the music.
You broke the window. Now face the music. Do you turn on the radio? Do you dance? No, it means accept the punishment. You did something bad. Now you must say sorry. Mom is angry. And finally, the craziest idiom of all. Look up when pigs fly. Will you clean your room? Yeah, when pigs fly. Look at the sky. Are there pigs? No, pigs cannot fly. It means impossible. It will never happen. Sorry. Wow, you survived. No broken legs, no flying pigs. Now you are an idiom master. Which idiom was the funniest? Write in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stickman English. See you next time.